The storm, with the potential of dumping up to 76 centimeters of snow in Washington and the adjacent city of Baltimore, had been predicted by U.S. meteorologists to be one of the worst winter storms in decades and would affect more than 85 million people in at least 20 states in its path.
The dangerous and historical snowstorm is hitting the nation's capital with 2.5 feet of snow expected before the blizzard ends this weekend. More than 6,000 U.S. flights on Friday and Saturday have been cancelled. The city's mayor warned it has life and death implications, and people are told to shelter in place and stay off the roads.